Loftus wanted to know if questions containing presuppositions alter a person's memory of an event. So, what is a presupposition? A condition that must be true in order for a question to make sense. For example, if I were to ask you how many circles were on the first slide that were red, you would assume that there were circles on the first slide because of the wording of the question. How did she conduct her study? There are 4 experiments. The first one being 150 students in small groups saw a film of a 5-car chain reaction accident when a driver runs to a stop. After given 10 questions, half the subject's first question was, how fast was car A going when it ran the stop? The other half got a question that read, how fast was car A going when it turned right? The last question was the same for everyone. Did you see a stop sign for car A? 53% in the first group said they did, but only 35% in the other. 40 subjects were shown a clip from a student revolution, where a class is interrupted by 8 demonstrators. After, half subjects were asked, was the leader of the 12 demonstrators male? And the other half, was the leader of the 4 demonstrators male? They came back after a week and answered 20 more questions, all the same besides the presupposing 12 versus 4. The group with 12 pre-reported 8.85. Those with 4 pre-averaged 6.4, showing an altered memory. Students watched a short video on an accident with a white car and answered 10 questions. Half subjects got how fast was the white car going when it passed the bar traveling alongside the country road. The other half got how fast was the white car going while traveling along the country road. They returned a week later and answered 10 more questions. Did you see a barn? Those with bar mentioned 17.3% answered yes, compared to 2.7%. This experiment was like the rest. They watched a film and answered questions. They included objects this time that were not there and asked about them later in the week. The result was the objects that weren't there were included in the answers. It must include a process of reconstruction that occurs when new information is integrated into the original memory. What's remembered is actually a regenerated image